Hello and welcome to the video, and I'm gonna show you actually a very basic step in Instagram, which is how to create an account. It's very easy. You just go to instagram.com. I'm actually going to show you here on the computer what you do. You can do it, I think, even from the application if you download the application in your phone. I'm not sure about that, so I'm going to show you on a computer what you do. So you just put your email here, which I just created a new email just for this video. I can put here okay, you see what I do, full name, username, okay, and a password. Okay, you can press turn on here or not now. Alright, so this is the video, very simple, and good luck on starting